سكة الطيب voiding machine selling عود and perfumes through self-service machine. Advantage and disadvantage. Advantage is selling at any time, no need to stay in queue. They can put it anywhere to increase the sales, reducing the numbers of workers. Disadvantage: consuming electricity, the possibility of theft, machine malfunction. Target users, audience, users of oud and perfumes. Minimum budget required from 45,000 until 140,000 Saudi Riyal. How to get started? By providing the necessary device, determine the stable site, make angel plans, develop a prototype plan. Comparison with the relative industry and how you are bringing change with it in long run. Depending on the technique, reducing work injuries, saving time and effort, keep up with the development in the field of internships.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Al-Gnayan. Today, inshallah, I'll talk about an idea for a new business. It's a website. Its name is The Modern Design. It's for tailor-made Saudi Africa dress, thobe. Here we have the advantages and disadvantages. An advantage we have it's not necessary to go to the store to tailoring the thobe in order to apply preventive precautions against COVID-19. And the quality of the fabrics used in the design. Design the thobe according to the measurement given. Tailoring an order is always better than ready-made thobe because it depends on the exact size of the person. And disadvantages, there may be a measurement error if the sender is inaccurate. It will be difficult to choose the exact fabric. Target audience, the Saudi people in general, because this Africa dress for Saudi people. And the minimum budget required, it's about 60 to the 180,000 Saudi Riyal. And how we get started? It's by connect with the client and by providing fabrics and sewing tools. And finally, we have the conversion with relative industry and how you are bring change within long run. The presence of a technical staff that manage the work fully, and business development and error correction, and learning from mistakes, and not repeating them. Thank you for listening.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sultan Al-Anizi. My project is a website that allow restores and tea shops to display their product such as coffee and tea and their preparation tools to consumer where the customer find several restaurant and founder on one package, and his order is shipped in one package. The idea: online marketplace for coffee and tea. Advantage, my project is not needing to list a store, highly scalable. Coffee and tea are lightweight and high value item, which make logistic cheaper. Low capital to start. Disadvantage: trust issue, bad infrastructure of logistic, technical challenge, easily competitive, targeted audience, coffee and tea consumer, minimum budget required, 50,000 to 80,000 Saudi riyal. How to get started, develop prototype, program the website, rent our house, start digital marketplace.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Ali Azib. Today I'm gonna talk about my business, which called Locksmith Van. You can see that from the name, it's a locksmith. It's a store or similar to key store, but in my business, the lock store, it's portable. It can transport to every customer to serve them in the right place. And now let's talk about the advantage and disadvantage of this business. I think the main advantage of this business, you can serve large group of people in easy way and fastest way. And also the people who cannot provide the transportations to go to the key stores. And also it does not require a rent cost because it's a portable, it's a truck. And disadvantages, it's hard to get the license because this business is new in my country. Also, it requires more efforts and time to run this business. It takes all your time. There is no work times because it's portable, so most of the time you're gonna work till late. And also, one of the disadvantages that the gas cost depends on the current price of gas in your country. Trading audience. All the people around the world need to make a new keys or open doors or locked cards once or twice per their life. So this business could serve all the strata of the society. It serves all society. The minimum budget required for this business is 70,000 Riyal Saudi to 160 Riyal Saudi. How to get started? Previously, you need providing the necessary device. And also make social media pages and contact numbers so people could find you easy. And make your own plan to achieve your goal. Prepare yourself to get orders in your work time. Comparison with the relative industry and how you are bringing change with it in long time. Actually, it depending on the technology and also keeps up with the development in the field of entrepreneurship.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Saad from College of Business, and this course is Business Communication 1. I will talk today about my idea, which is blue light glasses. The idea of that glasses is to protect our eyes. How does that work? During the lockdown, we were spending almost 9 hours a day on average in front of digital devices, and that could harm our eyes. And all these devices emit the blue light, like the smartphone, tablet, computers, PCs, all of that. And since our eyes are not protecting against this overexposure, the light can be determined. It will affect our health. So during the lockdown, we were working from home using our devices, our digital devices. Like you wake up in the morning, you open your laptop, you start your Zoom classes or your meeting if you are an employee, or after that you will learn, you will read, you will study. Then you don't have to do, you can't go outside. So what you will do is watch TV, play PlayStation, play video games. So our life is surrounded by this blue light. And the blue lights, as I said, it comes through these digital devices. Okay, how to start it? I will use this method, which is drop shipping. I don't know if anyone of you know this method, but it is an easy method to start as a student because we don't have a high budget to start a business. So all you need is a Wi-Fi and some knowledge and a laptop, and I will tell you what to do. So because here we are using this drop shipping. So what is drop shipping? Drop shipping is a retail fulfillment method where instead of a store stocking products, it is purchase the products from a third-party supplier. So what's the idea here? I will tell you. I have a store, I have a product, the supplier has the product. I will make a website and I will make more sale using the product that he have. All I have is to reach the audience, to do the marketing and to make the website. He will ship the product automatically to the consumers. That's it. And what are the advantages and disadvantages? Advantages, it is easy to start, easy to manage, easy to grow, does not demand much capital or budget, and flexible. The best advantage that I like about is it has a low budget. Like you can start a business with 500 riyals only. So the disadvantage, okay, there is a lot of disadvantage, like the challenging with the consumer service. You don't know how to communicate with your customers, how to help them, how if they have questions. This has a little bit of lack. Also lack of control over products. You can't control of the products. The order process is difficult. There is a disadvantage also. The shipping time is sometimes so long. The target audience, as I said, kids and adults. These are the audience. As I mentioned in the beginning, the audience here, like kids, they will do? Kids, because they are young and of course their parents wants to protect their eyes from the digital devices because they use the laptop or to study, then PlayStation to play, then YouTube to watch videos. It is the same routine for an adult, but it's just a different because the student will study and the adult will have a job using the computer. So the budget. What is the budget? Minimum budget here is, as I said, 500 at least. Maybe sometimes it can be less than, but less than 500, the business will not grow so fast. We will not get any profit and revenue. Because you will spend more money on marketing. So from 500 to 5,000 Saudi Riyal.